Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Kurukshetra, due to heavy rain in the last 3 days, Kurukshetra University, KU, has postponed all its examinations up to 13th July, said an official spokesperson of KU on Monday. However, the entrance exams of KU will be held as per its given schedule. Keeping the problems of the students in view, KU Vice Chancellor Prof Som Nath Sachdeva took this decision on Monday. The Examination Control Branch has informed about this development to all the exam centers. KU Exam Controller Hukam Singh said that due to heavy rainfall in the last 3 days and flood-like situations in some districts, the decision has been taken to postpone the Master of Science and Engineering exams. KU exam of Monday evening session, tomorrow morning, and evening session are postponed due to heavy rainy conditions. He said entrance exams will be held as per the given schedule. He said datesheet of the postponed exams will be released later. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.